Have you noticed these clay animation videos suddenly showing up everywhere? They're getting millions of views, thousands of shares, and people watch them much longer than regular AI videos. Why? Because they instantly stand out. While everyone's posting the same cinematic AI content, clay animation feels unique, handcrafted, and almost impossible to ignore. And here's the crazy part. Most people think these videos take weeks to animate, but today, AI can create them in just a few minutes. And if you're a content creator, this is one of the easiest ways to make your videos look completely different from everyone else. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create stunning AI clay animation using AutoClips.app, step by step. Let's get started. This is AutoClips.app, and today we're using one of its newest and most creative features, the AI Claymation generator. You don't need animation experience. If you can describe an idea, you can create videos like these. Let me show you exactly how. Step 1. Open the Claymation generator. Once you're inside AutoClips, go to the AI Claymation section. The interface is clean, simple, and beginner-friendly, so you can start creating immediately. Now think about your idea. The best performing videos usually start with simple but creative concepts. For example, a tiny chef cooking a giant burger, a clay dinosaur walking through a modern city, or even famous historical moments recreated entirely in clay. The more creative your concept, the more likely people are to stop scrolling. Step 2. Write a strong prompt. Now let's write our prompt. You don't need anything complicated, just explain what you want to see. Mention your character, the action, the location, and specify that you want a detailed clay animation style. For example, a modern travel vlogger accidentally time travels to the dinosaur era. Notice how simple that is. You don't need pages of prompt engineering, just describe your vision clearly. Step 3. Generate your animation. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. Now the AI starts doing what normally takes professional animators hours or even days. It creates the characters, builds the environment, adds realistic clay textures, and generates smooth animation automatically. Instead of spending weeks learning animation software, you're spending your time creating ideas. And honestly, that's a huge advantage. Step 4. Review the result. And here's the final result.
Okay, so no signal, no GPS, and these trees are definitely not from the Himalayas trek I booked. Something went seriously wrong with that portal thing. It just sniffed me. Chat, a brachiosaurus just sniffed me like I'm a weird little mushroom, and honestly, that's the most felt I've felt in months.
Take a look at the details. The handcrafted clay texture, the lighting, the smooth movement. It genuinely looks like a stop-motion animation that would normally require hundreds of individual frames. That's exactly why this style captures attention so quickly on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. People don't expect to see it, so they stop scrolling to watch. And that was one of the biggest factors behind getting more watch time. Step 5. Keep experimenting. Don't stop after creating just one animation. Try different ideas, different characters, different stories. Maybe recreate famous movie scenes. Sometimes your simplest idea ends up becoming your most viral video. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover what works for your audience. And that's how easy it is to create AI animation with AutoClips.app. Just your imagination, a good prompt, and a few clicks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, leave a like, subscribe for more AI content creation guides, and tell me in the comments what would be the first clay animation you'd create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.